welcome to my brand new series Kick It with Kenisha. I decided to take you a little behind the scenes and give you a bit of a context about the series. First of all, I think that fitness, I've realized in the last 2 years, is such an imperative part of our lives, and it's also so essential. Especially in the last 2 years, I have come to realize that it makes a huge difference even in your day-to-day, I think just delivery of lifestyle, or how optimum you can be in your daily chores. For my first set of episodes, I'm collaborating with a level 1 CrossFit trainer who is also a very specialized personal trainer, and I'm so delighted and glad to acquaint the entire audience with his body of work. Please welcome Viral.
Thank you so much for having me on the show.
Hi Viral. First of all, thank you so much for coming on board my series.
My pleasure.
And please tell me a bit about your journey and also your specialty, which is CrossFit.
Exactly. So yeah, like my fitness journey started when I just finished my school, so basically after 10th standard basically. So I just joined a local gym and started working out. And so for 2 years I was just not very serious with it. I used to train, but I used to not eat right, and I didn't have the proper knowledge and resources at that time. And I didn't have someone who could help me with this. Basically. So after that, when I used to go to the gym, some people got inspired by me and they asked me to train them basically. So I used to train them for at least 2 or 3 months. I trained those people and they were like, you should do this as a profession and stuff. So so at that time I was like, okay, yeah, I just let it go. But then after some time I actually put thought into it and thought of it I should just try it, why not? And I used to love the fact that I was helping someone with their fitness and making their life better basically.
Correct.
Which is great.
Yeah, absolutely.
So yeah, I just started with that. So I just took a small course and yeah, just started working at a local gym for at least when I was in college basically. So I used to go to college and do part-time stuff for fitness basically. And then after my college, I just joined a CrossFit box basically. So I just wanted to explore the world of CrossFit and not just weight training in general. So yeah, so I just started intern with them for 2 months, and after that I was working with them full time. And so after some point of time, I just did my certification, and yeah, I worked there for 2 or 3 years, and yeah, I'm here right now, and it's just never stopping. And the knowledge is so it's a very deep ocean, and you just have to get into it, and it's a lot of to learn, and you're it's never enough to learn. There's always something new which comes in the industry basically.
Right.
So yeah, it's very deep. So yeah, now I'm just here, I'm doing in-person training and I do group classes. So my specialty is CrossFit basically. So CrossFit is basically just one concept of fitness which has inculcated a lot of different forms of fitness basically. So it includes running, it includes skipping, it includes your kettlebell, it includes your weightlifting, it includes your weight training, basically a lot of functional movements. It includes gymnastics also.
Oh, okay.
So it's a mixture of all these elements combined into one.
Wow, that's so interesting. I actually started doing CrossFit and I did it very briefly with Craig Scott.
Oh yeah.
And I realized that yes, it has elements of everything, very eclectic.
Exactly.
And I think it's very good to build endurance and also build
a lot of strength,
aesthetic appeal as well.
Exactly.
So one thing I wanted to ask you is that a lot of people realize, and I've noticed, if we go to the gym regularly, and all people are like, "Arey, kya zarurat hai, actor banna hai kya?" But please talk about the importance of physical well-being and how it affects how it's important for your mental strength also, right?
Yeah. So I'll put it into very short words. Basically, if you are fit mentally and physically, so first of all, if you look good, you feel good.
Yes.
Yeah, that's the first thing. So if you look good, you already have a lot of confidence in yourself.
Yes.
So it also helps to boost your mental health.
Yeah, so true.
And fitness basically helps with you a lot of your functional activities, whatever, even if you're sitting on a chair or just picking up a suitcase and keeping it up on the cupboard or whatever, it can be anything.
Yeah.
Everything is just related to fitness.
Correct.
So just picking up your bag, your grocery bags and just walking, For example, if you just look at your grocery bags, like if you lift your bags up and you just walk in.
Yeah.
So that exercise, they take it just to farmer's walk. It's an exercise.
Yeah.
So you're just holding two weights and just walking.
Yeah.
So it basically, it's very much convertible into your daily life, and it really helps you with that.
Oh wow.
Which is like great.
Which is really great. So it basically increases your functionality in day-to-day life.
Exactly.
So now you heard it, it's not just for becoming actor.
Exactly, and it's not just for aesthetics and not just your just looks and stuff, but it's a lot of your like daily routine and even for your mental health. So it's like everyone should at least try and get at least half an hour of workout every single day, or even 2 to 3 times a week is like at least enough for you guys to start with.
And that's not difficult at all as a target.
I don't think, and it's very sustainable. It's very sustainable.
Plus, it's something you are doing for yourself. It's the greatest.
Exactly.
So, we didn't talk about nutrition. Since you're into CrossFit and all, is there a particular kind of heavy duty diet that you follow, or people who want to subscribe to CrossFit as a medium of workout?
Yeah.
What do you suggest? And especially for vegetarians. I'm a vegetarian.
Yeah.
Mostly, any kind of conditioning training for me becomes very hard because I don't eat non-veg.
So I don't think it matters a lot. I think even if you're it's your personal choice. Everyone has their own personal choice. I know people who are vegan and doing CrossFit, and the people who are non-vegetarians and even are doing CrossFit and whatever. So I think a lot of things basically.
Right.
So it matters upon it's all about the right choices basically.
Okay.
So if you are going for a CrossFit workout, I would suggest for at least 90 minutes ago, have a meal which has a lot of protein and your carbs.
Okay.
Basically, it should be a very well balanced diet.
Right.
So because CrossFit workouts are very intense.
Very intense.
Exactly. So for that you need to you should know that you have to fuel yourself rightly.
Yeah.
And even your post workout should include at least some kind of starchy food or just some sugar basically to just spike your insulin up.
So something like sweet potato.
Anything can be fine.
Okay.
Anything is fine.
Okay.
Anything which helps you get all of your vitamins in and all of your carbohydrate, whatever you have lost in the workout basically. So when you work out, you actually lose all the minerals and stuff from the body.
Correct.
So when you go for your post-workout meal basically, it helps you fulfill all the requirements your body needs.
Okay.
So just make sure that you're well fed and it's a very well balanced meal with protein, carbs and fats.
And how many meals a day do you suggest for someone doing CrossFit?
There is no such thing as one meal or 2 meals or even 6 meals. It really depends on person to person and how they like it basically.
Okay.
So for example, if you are someone for example, I'll just take your example. You have a very busy schedule, right?
Yes.
So shooting for hours and hours and hours. So for you, I would suggest just go for at least 2 to 3 meals every day, which are in good quantity and very well balanced basically.
Okay.
So you're not hungry throughout the day. So make sure your calories are controlled and the food choices are very healthy.
I think that's a great advice because a lot of times I think we, on shoots and all, what happens is for 12 hours, suppose you're shooting, wearing clothes which are really tight and you can't eat or you don't feel like eating, and then you after pack up just binge eat, which I think is really bad. So talking about some superfoods, can you give us some examples like what people can carry which is not too heavy or makes them kind of groggy but is good superfood?
Cool. So for superfoods, for example, someone who is into your example, you can just carry. So I'll take the example of basic Indian people, right?
Yeah.
So our diet lacks a lot of protein in it.
Yeah.
Okay? It's mostly surrounded by carbs. We have roti, chapati.
Yeah.
We have a very lot of veggies. Okay.
Correct.
So I would suggest you can go for any kind of meal which has a lot of protein and good amount of complex carbohydrates and some good fats basically.
Okay.
So this one meal would be just you say if you are a vegetarian, you can just go for any recipe of paneer.
Oh right.
And a lot of a side of veggies.
Right.
And some good amount of fats basically.
Okay.
So it can be your curd or anything that. So it's like a full balanced meal and it's very easy to carry for you too.
Curds also have good probiotics.
Probiotics, and it's really good for your digestive system.
Yeah. What about talking of minerals, supplements and stuff? That's also very important, right?
Yeah, that's important. But I think if you have a good, very well balanced diet, I don't think you need any kind of supplements.
Okay.
So for
not
example,
even for women, mostly every time I've realized, including myself, that women are always low on D3 and B12.
Yeah. So for that you can always go for the right food choices, or you can just add your vitamins. So there are D3 or just multivitamins or D3 caps.
Right.
You just get it in the market or any brand basically.
I completely, I swear by them.
Yeah, exactly. And it's really important for nowadays because nowadays everything is happening from home.
Yeah, absolutely.
So like for at least 2 years, no one has to like come out of their homes and stuff.
Very
so you don't
sedentary
get
life.
actually, you don't get D3 from the like
Yeah.
you don't get the actual sun the sun exposure which we actually need. So yeah, you can always go for any kind of supplements which help with your this to help for you boost your vitamins and stuff.
Right. Tell me about your future plans in terms of training, and also what do you suggest to people, because I mean maintaining a workout, maintaining a workout lifestyle requires for a lot of commitment. So what do you think, how can a person find passion? What can be the one thing which keeps them on track?
So make really short, have really short goals basically.
Oh, that's
so
great.
Start with really small, and you should obviously have a like big huge long goal in my mind, but
Right.
then just don't do it for that wedding or
Oh,
that
that
Goa
is
trip
so true.
or a Maldives trip or whatever.
Which is a fad I see everyone doing, and then there are all the extreme measures. And
Exactly.
I am also guilty. I've done it a couple of times, but I've realized it's caused me my immunity a lot of damage, and also the weight comes back.
As soon as you
fast.
go back to normal lifestyle,
Yeah.
it exactly comes back. So
Yeah.
yeah, it is really.
It comes back plus the damage it does to your immune system.
That is like another level. So yeah, just go for like your very basic food choices and whatever you have available at home, and just make some kind of changes in your routine, and you should be good to. And at least 2 to 3 times like a week workout is a necessity. So one thing I swear by is walking like every day, like 10,000 steps every single day. No matter where you are, no matter what you do, even if you're on a call or whatever, you can just walk inside your home. Or on the stairs, take the stairs, and like small things really matter a lot. If you're going for lifestyle changes. So if you're going to a mall or something, so just ditch the lift and go for the stairs. Even if you're a building, if you like stay like on the third or fourth floor, I would suggest just go with the stairs and not just use the lift, because it just doesn't make sense, and it helps you stay active throughout the day. It's like great.
And people must be wondering 10,000 steps, who's going to keep a mental check? But now there are watches. Like
there are watches, exactly. All the watches will help you track your all daily, and they will even remind you like by the end you still have like 6 hours to finish your so steps for the day, basically, which is like amazing.
So it's not like we have to mentally make a note. That's not possible.
Exactly.
So we all should. In fact, I think that's a good addition to get like a Fitbit watch or any kind of a smart watch.
Any kind of smart. Even your like phone has all those pedometers and stuff, so you don't need exactly like you need a smart watch or something. But all the phones have those small applications which help you with those.
Oh wow, that's a great tip. I didn't even know that about it. In fact, I didn't know about that. I'm going to get that now. So tell me, Viral, if people want to reach out to you, which I'm sure so many would want to, considering you're such a good trainer, and what I love is that you have so much knowledge and you're genuinely passionate about it, There are a lot of people I have realized who get into fitness for looks or, impressing girls or whatever. But
like all the time.
Yeah, right? But you're genuinely, I feel like you will make a big difference in the fitness industry.
I think so.
So tell me, where can people reach you if they want to train with you personally?
So you guys can just like reach out to me on Instagram. So my Instagram is @fitwithviral. It's FITWITHVIRAL.
Wow, so that's where you can reach Viral. I have really enjoyed collaborating with you, and I thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
I look forward to so much work with you in the future. And what can I say, guys? You have to get fit with Viral. See you on the next episode.
See you guys.